Hi everybody, quick review on this carry-on luggage. It's cute, it's nice. Now, how I'm gonna fit a week's worth of stuff going to Jamaica, I don't know. Let me show you guys some details. It seems pretty sturdy. When I had opened the box, this was in here, so I guess it's like some sort of lock. I guess I have to read the instructions to see if there's a code already that was set or if I have to set one up myself. With that being said, you can see the tag here. It kind of gives you a little idea of what to expect. Now let's open the inside. I'm sorry, I'm a little nasally. This is the main part. Sorry, my belly is in the way too. This is the main part here. If you guys get, I think they're called packing blocks. I think you could fit a good amount of clothes and stuff in here. But I think it's pretty decent for the size, for a carry-on size. This part here, I guess, you know, you can put your little makeup bag and your sandals, you know, like miscellaneous stuff in there. So I think it's pretty cute. Let's see what this tag says here. Okay. Oh, okay, so these are the instructions for the lock. Okay. And it also came with this book bag, which I think is very cute. It's not too big, it's not too small. You know, you can fit like a laptop, your phone, passport, you know, anything of that nature. Speaker, if you're traveling with a speaker. I did open it. I opened it before I started recording, and this was in there. I didn't even notice when I ordered it that this would be in there. I don't know. This isn't compatible with my phone. I have an iPhone. I'm gonna assume these would be compatible with Android phones. I'm going to look and see if there's instructions that I don't see. But also, it has this little compartment here. So maybe I could attach my cord in here. I just don't know how it charges. I'm just a little confused by that. But I'll figure it out. So this is the inside of the bag. This is the first part. You have some compartments in here. Stuff some good amount of space. And some more space. You have like 2 pockets. So I think that's pretty cool. And last but not least, it came with this bag. So obviously, you know, female jewelry, makeup, things like that. Male, you know, your shaving kits, you know, things like that. So I would say go for it if you are looking for a nice and cute, decent carry-on. Okay, go for it.
So I must say, I am very impressed. It's everything that I want it to be. It rolls so easily. Easy up and down. 360. safety. And this bag is everything. It's so much space that I actually went and looked for extra things to put in there. So even the little duffel bag, it fits inside the bag. So, and there's space left for any extra things that I want to add. Like in the morning, my chargers and anything extra. In the back, I have my book. Everything is easily accessible, and there's even a small pocket on the side where I will keep my passport. So, I am excited. This has been everything. This is my first time using it. Hopefully it holds up. Pockets for everything, and even with all this stuff, it's not heavy at all. Like, you can pick it up with just your fingers. So, I'll make a second video about the capacity of this suitcase. So, yeah, see, everything. My wig, everything. So, second video coming. Okay, so here's the suitcase. Mind you, look how easily it unzips because how easily the things fit in there. I am the queen of carry-on. So I want everything in my carry-on bag. Here, I have outfits for 4 days, including some extra sweaters and my shoes, and because I'm going to Maine. Expect it to be really cold. So just stuff so I can layer. Got my toiletries in the little side pocket. And this is my favorite part because it doesn't just sit on the top of it, doesn't just sit in there, it's zipped in, so it closes in even more. So on this side I have my purses and my makeup, pretty much everything. It's just as deep as the other side. So yeah, it's great. It's everything that I wanted. Like I said, I am a carry-on queen. I don't like packing, carrying too many bags. So this suitcase is perfect. So if you're looking for something to travel light, or maybe I travel kind of medium. So everything that I need is, I was able to fit into one bag, and it's not that hard to zip up. Like, once I zip this little pocket up, everything really gets smaller, and you have the adjustable strap. Oh, well, you have the adjustable strap, so to make things much tighter if you want them to. So I really love it. I give it 10 stars if I could. So, so far, it's been great.
It's that harder foam packaging around it. So I loved that it came very well packaged. I was a little bit concerned about the leather look and the plasticky feel of things, but I actually really decided that I don't mind. I don't mind it. I think it's great, and it looks high quality for a pretty affordable price. It is a carry-on size, but I ended up having to check my bag, so there's some scuffs on it. So I'm going to take a little magic eraser to it. It's a little tricky, one-handed, so I'm going to show you the results afterward. So the magic eraser didn't work amazing. It lightened the spots, but where it really worked well was on the brown, darker spots, not as much on the white parts. So I would definitely not recommend checking this bag. It has great space inside of it. It has this extra pocket here, and then this larger pocket on this side. It has the clip here. I was gone for 3 days and had a very full suitcase. It was pretty heavy, but I was able to fit a lot inside. I love that it has the TSA approved locking devices. One of the things I was concerned about was the quality of the wheels. They're pretty small and cheap looking, but they held up great, and I felt like they were fine quality. The one thing I didn't love was the extended handle. It does extend really high, and it holds the backpack, but it does feel just a little wobbly, a little bit cheap feeling, but I do think it'll hold up just fine, especially for a carry-on bag. The backpack is fantastic. It has very large expandable water bottle holders on either side, lots of fantastic pockets. It even has this smaller pocket on the back, which I loved. Of course, a padded computer pocket with lots of holders inside and a very deep pocketed front pocket as well with the charging device. I am charging it up right now, but it works great. So you charge from the inside, and then the outside is what you plug your plug's device, your device's plug in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I'm not sure. Oh, you can't hear it ding, but it did buzz. But I love the backpack, and I really loved this little bag that it came with as well. This is where I kept all of my computer charges. It has a zipper inside as well as some extra pockets as well. But I loved being able to keep all of my cords in one place. And then of course it has some buttons here that you can attach it onto the backpack as well. And here are the ports for the outside of the charging dock. On the back of the backpack, there is this strap that you can slide it onto the suitcase, the carry-on, which I absolutely love. I don't love wandering the airport with a backpack and a carry-on, so this was a fantastic feature.
I thought I'd do a quick review on my 3-piece carry-on luggage set that I got yesterday. Love the red. So I'll start with the carry-on bag. So I unzipped it already. I'm just using one hand here, so I thought it would be easier just to unzip it. All the zippers I checked multiple times. They all work perfectly. There's a zipper on this side in here. A couple of compartments on the opposite side of the bag. There's quite a bit of room in there for sure. The bottom expands. So as you can hopefully see, there's quite a bit more room if you choose to do so. So the back, there's a strap here, so you just put it over the top, so you don't have to carry the carry-on bag on your shoulder. There's a zipper on the opposite side. You can put your passport or phone, whatever you'd like. It's a good size there. There is a combination. I have not set that yet, but I will be doing that before I leave. Handle on the side, so you can lay your suitcase on its side or upright. The handle works perfectly. 2 positions, 1, 2. So, also, I have the suitcase on my rug, but the wheels work wonderful. Spins very easily, so very happy there. And then it comes with a toiletry bag. Same idea as the carry-on bag, zipper compartment on one side, and then opposite side it has 2 little areas to put whatever you'd like. And it's going to fit a lot, so very happy there. I got myself packing cubes, so I will be using them for the first time. And this is what I'm taking for 2 weeks. So I will write a review when I get back, and I will also put an added picture of the inside, which is quite roomy. Very happy, and I would highly recommend.
So I'm going to do a quick video review. I just got the set, and so far I really like it. The larger suitcases have plenty of space. All three have a separator here where you can add additional clothes. They will come kind of as a nesting set, so they fit in one big suitcase, so it helps for storage. And I really like that it is easily adjustable on the height setting, so I can go high, medium, or low. And it spins, and it's really lightweight. So, and then I've got the hard side, but not completely inflexible. So far, I like it. I'm excited to get to use it. And the set is really nice. I really wanted something that did not look like everyone else's suitcase at the airport. I think this is going to be much easier to identify when it's coming off the plane.
Look at it. It's little bitty. It's 20 inch. And I don't know what I was looking at, but I didn't see the 20 inch. And it's no bigger than one of these. I mean, I have to carry these three things around to carry my products. And I need one that is at least that big.
Yeah, it's gone.